All right, we are going to look at how do you calculate using negatives on GraphLock. And in this example, we're going to do an absolute value equation. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Use Calculator. From there, notice across the top, I have a couple different options. Well, we just need the basic calculator. So I'm going to simply just click in the blue area and that'll make that go away. When it comes to negatives, there's actually two different ways that you can do a negative or change the value in GraphLock. I could either just use the subtraction symbol, so for example, that would be a -3, or you see the little plus minus symbol, I can also use that, and this would also be a -3. Two different ways of doing it will give you the same exact results. So in this example, we're going to look at the negative absolute value of 4 minus 9. That should give us an answer of -5. So here's how we'll do it. First thing, I'm going to use the subtraction as my negative. So subtraction negative will work the same way. So there's our negative. Now I'm going to hit the scientific tab, and you can see absolute value up there in the corner. Notice it puts in parentheses, so that way you can close those out so we know exactly what we're taking the absolute value of. This example, we're doing 4 minus 9. So I scroll back to the basic and I type in 4 minus 9. So once again, that minus, that subtraction can count as both subtraction or a negative. Now I close out my parentheses. So make sure you close that out so we know exactly what we're taking the absolute value of. Now I hit the enter arrow. And you can see we get an answer of -5. So let me just show you if I were to use the other method. So this time I'll do the plus minus, so that gives us that negative out front. Scroll over to scientific. Once again, I'm going to hit absolute value. Hit basic so I can put in my values of 4 minus 9. Close out the parentheses, and then again hit enter, and you can see once again we are getting -5. So that's how you can do negatives on the calculator as well as absolute value.